Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to reassemble the 4x4 Rubik cube. So sometimes when you solve a Rubik cube very fast, it sometimes the some pieces they fall apart or it will be like disassemble. So now I'm gonna teach you how to do it. I disassemble for you guys. Now let's start. First you make the white layer. These are the materials. This is the Rubik. This is the sticker. This is the tweezers. These are the sticks. This is corner piece. This is edge piece. This is center piece. This is large piece. This is a smaller piece. I'm gonna tell that for you. So first you start with the first layer now, but you should not do with the centers. So first we got the green edge, but here also we got the green edge. So we just put a not this thing. So it's supposed to be here, and this thing supposed to be here. So this one side is done. So let's just tape this thing up. Tape and tape or stick it. So we taped it now. So we just now do the same thing. So here orange needs to become orange piece here. We got orange piece. Another orange piece is here, and stick this thing up. And we should not tape it now. And we need to find a corner piece, then tape it. So here, this side is completed. So next step is this. Okay, now here just hold it hardly and stick it up like this. Or if there's a magnetic Rubik 4x4, you can do it without a sticker. So next here needs to be blue. So although this is not gonna belong here because this piece belongs here. So we're just gonna find another blue piece, and this thing belongs here. So we just did like that. After that, go into the corners and search for one, and here we got one. So next step, tape it up. So this side done. So next step here. So here's thing, and it doesn't belong here because it belongs here, and this thing belongs here. So now we can just take the whole thing. Okay, this side is done. So, but we should not do the center. This is for the last part only. So first, next up, we take some one of the side, then just open it. I'm just gonna open this side. This side, then just put this main thing here. And although it's supposed to be like this. Done. So you just do this again, stick it again. Then you completed the first layer. Like this. just untape this thing and put the tape it up. So the first layer is done, and it should be like this. No. So next this is kind of hard. So you take one of the these small things, this small brackets, and play not the small thing, sorry, the large bracket at this thing. So I always do this diagonal. So this easy step is put a diagonal, then just insert the the edge brackets. Now we fully complete the whole fight center. Next up we have these things. So next up we have this. You need to put this small thing here. The small things here. So after that we put this centerpiece right here. Here also this way. Then this thing other. Yes, gonna be one side one. This belongs here. You should do like that. Then next taper this thing up. It's okay if the main rubik is the flexible. Mine is also flexible. You do one by one if you get that. So here red. So you don't only put red things. Here red. So red here. But although before that you need to put insert a small edge bracket right here. So we put the one center right. So we put one center right here. Then just put like this. What this thing is. Tape it up. Here's done. Next we have green. First put this thing. insert this centerpiece. It's correctly fixed. And there's this another centerpiece. Sorry. Then just okay. Then just not do like that because this belongs here. So we put this thing because it belongs here. Tape it up. Then we're gonna, after we completed this whole pattern as repeated, it will be done. This second layer is almost completed. So this third layer is so easy. First put one edge bracket here. Then just fill this with small edge brackets. It. So next up, we just put this thing right here. Then just fill it with small edge brackets. You're done. Here's now we can fill it up with this red. So next up we have this thing. So just do the repeating.
Yeah.
So the third layer is done. Next up, the fourth layer. So the fourth layer is easy. Just don't put. So there's some missing gaps. So don't put like this. Instead, just take a small bracket and don't put like this. It will be like this. So instead of like that, put like this. It can be easier. So put all four sides. So here's done. Okay, so after putting like that, you just put one corner right here. Like just lift this up, then put it here. So after putting the corners like that, you need to insert one edge at a time like this. First put like this, then put one this edge bracket neatly, then just lift this thing, then just so put like that. So put like that. Then after that, tape it. Here's one side done. Here another side. So here you just you just left this thing up, then just you just put the opposite side, but it's okay. I can do all party. So here this thing. Okay, so here we get something like edge bracket, then put it inside, then do the same thing. So here also same. After these are all done, we are only left with the yellow and white centers. So we have this thing. So now we are left with the yellow and white edges. After that, we put this small edge right. Good. Let's put another. Here's yellow center. Last step is white center only. Now you can untape.
Banana.
done. Now it's
Okay.
now it's fully done.